It's a girl Nell, and welcome back to my channel, Nell's Island. If this is your first time, hi, you're now an islander. Yes, that is baby pancake in the back there. Yeah, because I had to turn off the fans in order to make this video because I don't need the noise and she needs to be all netted up so that she doesn't get bitten by mosquitoes. Yeah, we live on an island. So today on my channel, I am going to do my very first unboxing. Yeah, my very first. I actually created a baby registry on Amazon and I was eligible for a free, totally free baby welcome box. So I got it, which I got it months ago, but I just didn't clear it from my skybox. I know I really lazy. Sorry, but I didn't clear it. I took a really long time before I cleared it, and it's months later. Baby Shay is 6 months old, and I'm finally opening this box, finally unboxing it and showing you guys what's inside it. But before we get into the video, please go down to that big red word that says subscribe and click on it. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. And don't forget to share it with all of your friends and be sure to like it. Yeah, not just emotionally, just click that button and like my video if you like my video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As you can see, this is the welcome box. Yeah, I'm putting my hand there so y'all don't see who my courier is, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, so this is the welcome box. It's all cute. Yeah, so, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. Yeah, so the first thing I see when I open it up is this welcome card. Hope you enjoy a special delivery. Compliments of Amazon Baby Registry. So this is the card that comes inside. Yeah, and then there's this cute paper. The same pattern that's on the box is actually on the paper. So I'm opening it up and look. Oh, the first thing is a sample of diaper rash cream. Yeah, that's it. And a coupon for $2 off your purchase. So yeah, that's the first thing in here. Oh, and then we have 2 disposable breast pads from Philip Advent there. And inside of the packet is also a breastfeeding guide. So if you want to breastfeed your baby, they get you the guide. I still want to read the guide even though I've been breastfeeding for the past 6 months. Yes, I know I shouldn't need tips, but I feel like I still do. So yeah, I'm definitely going to read that. The next thing in here, is a progressive insurance thingy. Well, I'm in Trinidad, so this ain't no use to me. Sorry, it's not. But yeah, a progressive insurance for your baby. So yeah, if you live in the US, please take advantage of that. And then, it's, I think it probably popped in the package, in the box, because it's kind of sticky, like you can feel the detergent on your hand. It smells really nice though, but it is a sample pack of Dove laundry detergent. Oh, it smells really good. I'm definitely going to try this in Shay's clothes. But yeah, it's a sample pack, size 1, stage 1, newborn. I guess they have different stages. I don't really know anything about Dove, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers talk about this brand, so apparently it's really good. I don't know. Then, let's see what's next. Ooh, there is a really adorbs onesie in here. It has little elephants on it. I don't know if y'all could see. Yes, super adorable onesie in here. The only problem is I'm afraid that it's too small for baby Shay because I took so long to get my welcome box from the courier. Mind you, Amazon sent it. I just did not pick it up. So hopefully it's a size that can fit her. But if it isn't, I am definitely going to give it away. So let's see. Oh my god. Unfortunately, it's 0 to 3 months. It says it's 100% organic cotton. So yeah, somebody's going to get a brand new organic cotton onesie for the bye-bye. Yeah. So BT Dubs, if y'all want me to do a giveaway of baby stuff, please comment down below and let me know. Definitely let me know. Or you can go to my Instagram page at Nels_Island and, you know, shoot me a message and let me know if you want me to do a baby giveaway. Yeah. Well, not a baby giveaway, but baby stuff giveaway. You get the picture. That's baby she again. I'm like a crazy person. Okay, so the next thing in here is actually a sample size of Aveeno baby lotion. It's a daily moisturized lotion, and it doesn't really have much info on here. Okay, there's like a double label. 1 second. Okay, so there's all this information on there, but it's super tiny. But yeah, it's basically for your baby a 24-hour wear. So it's a Aveeno baby lotion. Yeah, that's a sample pack. And there is a giant, like, regular size pack of A&D diaper rash cream. Yay! I'm definitely putting this in Shay's diaper bag, because if y'all watch my What's in My Diaper Bag video, y'all know that I have like this giant bottle or container, whatever, of diaper rash cream that I call butt cream. It is huge. I have to haul it everywhere because I have not been able to find like a small size. So I am super glad that this is inside of this box. So I can put this in a diaper bag and it's easy to carry around. It's not this giant plastic bottle. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Then we have a Philip Advent 4-ounce bottle. Yeah. So baby Shay is taking a bottle now. It's not all the time, but she's getting used to taking a bottle, and this comes in handy. Like, believe me, when you start bottle feeding your baby, you need as much bottles as possible. No, I'm not giving her formula. It's actually milk that I've pumped. I created a stash from since she was born till now, so I have like a huge freezer stash of breast milk, and these bottles are going to come in handy for when I'm feeding her. So yay! There is also a Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle. Yeah, like Brandon Sakura used to use these a lot when they were little. So yeah, they've used Advent and Dr. Brown. They did. So I love these two brands. Yeah, I'm just glad that this is what comes in here. Yay. And last but finally not least, the thing I really wanted to try. Like, really. This is actually a muslin swaddle blanket from Amazing Baby. Yeah. And I have seen a lot of YouTubers get these blankets and they look so comfortable. Obviously, I cannot swaddle baby Shay, but I still use blankets with her even now that she's 6 months old. So I definitely want to try this with her. It looks so soft and it's 100% cotton. So yeah, it's amazing. I really want to try this, and it has a really cute design. Like, as you can see, little zebras on there. Yeah. So I am so super glad. So that's it inside of the box. As you can see, it's empty now. So yeah, that's my unboxing of my Amazon Welcome Baby box. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Remember that. So don't forget, check out my description box so you can get the link so you can register for your Amazon Baby Welcome box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time on the island. Bye.